Welcome on MGSS YouTube channel, and today I am going to discuss about some important problems regarding chapter 5. Hope you have to enjoy this session. My dear student, the first question has been given that without actual division you have to find out sum of these two-digit number, and how can you find out 78 plus 87? As you know by the formula that AB plus BA, when a number is added to reverse of this number, then it is equal to 11 into A plus B. And actually in this question 11 into sum of the digits 7 plus 8, and which can be written as 11 into 15, and this is why you can just write the answer that it is divisible by 11, because 11 is the factor of sum of these two numbers. Second, 15 is also a factor of 78 plus 87, so this number is also divisible by 15. Sometimes some lower number has been given, so you can just factorize more. 15 can be written as 5 into 3. So by the above calculation, you can just find out that 78 plus 87 has different factors: 11, 15, 5 and 3. So 78 plus 87 is divisible by 11 or 15 or 5 or 3. So in the answer you can just check that what has been given in the question. Without performing actual division, find the quotient when the sum of 78 and 87 is divided by. First one has been given 15, so it is sure divisible by 15. Second one has been given the option 11. Yes, it is also divisible by 11. Third one has been given 55, and let's check. It is quite interesting. 55. Since it is divisible by 11 and 5, so it can be written as 11 into 5. You may write down into bracket into 3. So you can write down 55 into 3. So 55 is also a factor of the sum of this number. So it is also divisible by 55. And the last one has been given 33. It is also divisible by 33. You can explain by this way that 11 into 5 into 3, it can be written as 11 into 3 into 5, and which can be written further 13 into 5. Since 13 is a factor, you have to just write down 13 is a factor of 78 plus 87, so it is also divisible by 33. As I mentioned in the last video that without actual division, actually there was an explanation was AB minus BA is equal to 9 into A minus B, where A is greater than B. Actually you have to utilize this one to prove that it is divisible by 9, 4 or 18. Let's check. It is sure that it must be, if it is divisible by 9, then this difference must have a factor of 9. If the difference is divisible by 4, so you have to just prove that 4 is a factor of the difference of this number. And similarly in the case of 18, you need to prove that 18 is a factor of difference of 95 minus 59. Let's check in this case. Actually, by utilizing this formula, you can just check that 95 minus 59 can be written as 9 into A minus B, means here 9 minus 5, and sure 9 is greater than 5. You can just apply this one, and on subtraction 9 into 9 minus 5 is equal to 4, and you can just write down that since 9 is a factor of 95 minus 59, therefore 95 minus 59 is divisible by 9. First one has been proved. Similarly, you have to write down 4 is also a factor of 95 minus 59. Therefore, 95 minus 59 is divisible by 4. And let's check in the case of third case is 18. And how can you check that? Again, you have to rearrange. Since 95 minus 59 is equal to 9 into 4, and which can be written as 9 into 4 can be factorized, and it can be written 2 into 2. And now you have to group it, and what you find out? 18 into 2, and now you check 18 is a factor of 95 minus 59. Therefore 95 minus 59 is divisible by 18. Now, my dear students, your first exercise 5.1 has been finished, and on the basis of this you can just solve such type of question. My dear students, I have just taken some questions from 5.2, and let's check how to do answer. Whatever you know very well that this type of, because this is a puzzle or riddle type of question has been given, and you know that you can easily do such type of question. Only I have just pick out some of them, and you have to just do such type of calculation. How can you do that? In the first case, you can just notice that it is addition based question. 5 plus a, and here is written 3. My dear student, if you have to add, because this is given in addition, you have to apply 0 to 9 different type of digit. If you just check, if you take 0, 5 plus 0 cannot be 3. If you take 1, 5 plus 1 is 6, cannot be 3. Similarly, you can just try different digits, and you just find out that when you have to take a is equal to 8, then 8 plus 5 is 13, and here you have to write down 3. So you can just try with different digits, and ultimately you have to find that a is equal to 8, and all the places you put 8 and you check the addition. This addition must be completed. In the second question, similarly, you have to just try that. You have to add which digit or number you have to add with 9 to make it 5. You know that 5 is smaller as compared to 9, so it must be greater than 10. So you have to add such type of number, and greater than 9, the least number which contains 5 at unit place is 15. And you know that 9 plus 6 is equal to 15. So its better answer is 6, because 9 plus 6 is equal to 15, and here you have to write down 5. And carry 1 you have to carry the next step. 1 plus 4 is 5, and 5 plus p is equal to 6. It means the value of p is equal to 1. So 1 plus 4 plus 1 carry is equal to 6. So actually Q is equal to 6 and P is equal to 1 in the second case. In the third case, you have to add a plus 5 is equal to 2. It is possible only when a is equal to 7. When a is equal to 7, then 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. And here is 2, carry 1. So 1 plus 3 is 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. So value of B is equal to 6. And in third case, you can just notice that A plus A should be BA. Which number you can take? 1 plus 1 plus 1. That cannot be in double digit. 3 plus 3 cannot be in double digit. 4 plus 4 plus 4 is 12. 2 is not 4. So you have two options. One option you can just try 5. Then 5 and 5 plus 5. You know that 15 and 5 is at unit place, and so B is equal to 1. Such type of question you can just do. This is the puzzle type, riders type of question, and I think that you have so memory and so intelligent because you belongs to Mahatma Gandhi Shikshan Sansthan school, my school, our school, and this is the one of the best schools. So you have to, you are so intelligent that you can just do such type of question. So hope you have to enjoy this session, and you can just do whole exercise. You do at home, and if you have any sort of problem, then you must ask your question in comment box. Thank you very much.